and welcome to Forge Bits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to curve the plane. So like etching the plane, but without using the sculpting tool. So it's a useful tool if you want to like draw something on a plane, like etching on the plane, but not exactly like sculpting on it. So we're going to use the curve to make drawings on the plane. So this is how you do it, because it's hard to explain. Where's my mouse? Oh, there you go. So first we create a new blend file. Make sure you create a new one because it might be stale, like I said earlier. So we're going to hide the cube because we don't kill the cube here in this channel. I'm going to use a plane. Then we're going to work on it on top view because we want to use the pen and draw on the plane. So yeah, so we're going to use a plane. We're going to edit it and add enough subdivisions to it, like maybe 100. Exit. Make sure it's shade smooth. Then we're going to add the curve. So as you can see, the curve is there. Now we're also going to add something that will be wrapped around the curve because we can't affect or we can't implement like a proximity thing with a curve. We need it to be on a mesh. So we're going to wrap a mesh into the curve to make the proximity mode work. So we're going to add a cylinder, but make sure the cylinder's like very small, like maybe 2, and very thin, like that. Next, we're going to add a modifier on the cylinder. Make sure the cylinder is selected. So add a modifier, click array, make sure this one is fit curve, then we'll select the curve, then make sure it's constant offset. So we're going to set it on the z-axis, set it to 1, so since we used 1 on the depth. So now we have the cylinder. Then we're going to add a curve modifier. Where is it? There we go. Minimize this one. We're going to select the Bezier curve. Then we'll set it to Z. As you can see, we are now following our cylinder is now following the Bezier curve. So that's what we want to do to make the proximity, the vertex weight proximity work. Next, I think it's best to parent this one. So let's just do it. Although I think it's just making sure. Although we're just going to edit the Bezier curve. Anyway, I'm going to select the plane. Then I'm going to add. Oh wait, I think we haven't really added any vertex group here. So I'm going to select the plane, going to edit mode, make sure everything is selected, then go to vertex group under the object data properties, then click assign. So everything should select when you click the assign button. Edit the edit mode. Now we go to the modifiers, then we click the add modifier and select vertex weight proximity. There you go. Now we select the vertex group that we created earlier in here. Then we select the cylinder. Next, we're going to add a displace mod, and then as you can see it raised up like so far up. So we're going to have to set this to 10 or maybe just 1. We're going to adjust settings here and make sure this one, the vertex group here, is also selected. I'm going to move along here so we can see properly. So I'm going to adjust stuff until we get what we want. Oh, don't forget to set the proximity mode to geometry, then click face. So now we can actually see something going on. Maybe 0.5, maybe 2. There you go. The more vertices you have, the better it would look. So we can adjust the strength. I think 0.1 is good enough. Oh, I think it's too much. 0.05. There you have it. No, I think we don't have enough vertices. Maybe we could subdivide it even more. But it's really going to be very slow. Now you can now hide the cylinder, and you now have the curve right there. Now if you want to change because that's boring. I mean, you can probably sell that through NFT, but it's really boring to have like just a curve going like that. So select the curve, go to edit mode, make sure everything is selected, then delete the vertices. Now everything is gone. Now click the draw, then like draw something, maybe an S. Oh, if it's doing weird stuff like that, make sure your cylinder is like exit edit mode. Make sure your cylinder, oh, it's everything is fine here. Where's undo? That's weird. Let me double check the settings. Yeah, everything's correct. So I'm guessing it's just the cylinder. Let me undo the parenting, then set this to 0. There you go. Now we need to like move it up so that it would affect. Move it up. Oh wait, am I on edit mode? Maybe I need to move this one up instead. There you go. And then we can now hide this one. There you have it. So maybe you want something like, I'm gonna edit the curve again, delete it, make sure everything is selected, delete vertices. Maybe we want something like a heart. Dang, every time. Let's move this somewhere like that. There you have it. Let's try something else. Delete. Let's see. And the reveal. Dun 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 dun. I think it's not aligned. Let's select everything. scale it along z-axis, that's 0, and then move it up and down until we see something. Oh, I think there's too much stuff going on. Oh, yeah, I kind of forgot to tell you. The curve should be like one straight curve, otherwise it's not going to work. Anyway, because I just want to thank you. That's all. So let's see, maybe T. It's hard if you can't move it around. Oh, oh, doesn't look like a T. It looks like an L. Or is it? Oh no. Yeah. So click and subscribe if you like content like this. And sorry if I botch my thank you um, card for you, but it came from my heart. So thank you, and click that like thumbs up button if you like contents like this. Dislike if not, and click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss our Forge Beats. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!